meantime, let's focus and talk about Maharashtra, where the government there is all set to hold and set up a panel in about 2 weeks to draft the legislation for the Uniform Civil Code. Now, the Maharashtra government is expected to set up a committee within 2 weeks to draft the legislation for the Uniform Civil Code, and the details regarding the composition and the terms of the reference to the committee will be finalized. Now, the committee to draft the legislation for the Uniform Civil Code is in process and will be set up within 2 weeks. And this is now coming in from the Minister of State for Home, who had last week informed the Assembly that the UCC will be implemented in Maharashtra, and a committee under a retired High Court judge will be constituted to prepare the draft of the legislation. Now, the Uniform Civil Code, which is a constitutional directive that is aimed at establishing a common set of laws governing marriage, divorce, inheritance, adoption, etc. for all citizens. And this seems to be, when it comes to Maharashtra government, which is poised to establish a committee within 2 weeks. Arunil, good morning. When it comes to drafting the legislation of the Uniform Civil Code.
Well, good morning to you, Amita. This has been confirmed by the Minister of State, Home Department, Yogesh Kadam, basically saying that under a High Court judge, retired High Court judge, this committee will be formed. The other composition of this committee are yet to be finalized, but within 2 weeks, the Maharashtra government will be forming this committee, which will basically pass the legislation for the Uniform Civil Code. Uniform Civil Code is a constitutional directive which basically ensures a common set of laws for marriages, adoption, divorces, as well as for inheritance as well. Governments like Gujarat have already passed a Uniform Civil Code. Recently, we had seen, at least in Maharashtra, it was the opposition, particularly Congress leader Nana Patole as well as Aditya Thackeray, who had opposed Uniform Civil Code. I think that the Constitution gives equal rights to everyone. Nana Patole had said that the BJP wants to change the Constitution.
All right. Well, yes, this seems to be this development as far as the big UCC push that we are now looking at, as the Maharashtra government will be setting up a panel in about 2 weeks to draft the legislation for the Uniform Civil Code. Thank you very much, Arunil, for getting us that update. In the meantime,